Tell me, Preethi, how should organizations and individuals contribute to this?
The best way would be to go to our website, www.soulfree.org. You can read all about our projects there. And if you feel so inclined, you can make contributions, monetary contributions, as well as you can register yourself as a volunteer and support us in any way. See, what we need is people with love and, who value us. We will have people in our center to whom nobody has looked them in the eye.
Correct. Correct.
Just sit with us, come and talk to us, play a game of chess with us, teach us an instrument, read to us, watch a movie with us.
Correct.
That's all. That will make us come back to life.
Correct.
And in that friendship, you will also gain something.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So we want a lot of community-based activities. Even now, we are doing a gift box donation drive for more than 700 people. Each of them will be receiving more than 43 items that are their essential medical items. And we need help in the packaging.
Wonderful.
So all the procurements are done. So any number of things, we can use all the help we can get. If you are an occupational therapist, if you're a physiotherapist, if you're somebody in the medical field, we need your help. If you can teach dance, if you can teach Zumba, we need your help. Anything.
Correct. I'm raising my hands. I've been a classical dancer for 35 years, Preethi, and I want to contribute. So I'll go into your website and see how it is. But anyways, we'll stay in touch to see how much we can contribute to this, Preethi.
I would love that. Only thing, you have to sit in a wheelchair and make it adaptive.
Correct.